Welcome to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this first video, we will be discussing the basics of personal finance and budgeting. Personal finance. Personal finance refers to the financial management of an individual or a household. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It is important to have a clear understanding of personal finance in order to make sound financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. Budgeting. Budgeting is a key component of personal finance. It involves creating a plan for how to allocate your money among different expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. The goal of budgeting is to make sure that you have enough money to cover your essential expenses and also have some money left over for savings and other goals. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is the first step in managing your finances. The process involves tracking your income and expenses and making sure that your expenses do not exceed your income. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to keep track of your expenses and income. Categories of expenses. When creating a budget, it is important to understand the different categories of expenses. These include fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, such as food and entertainment. Fixed expenses are the same amount each month, while variable expenses can change from month to month. Allocating your money. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your money in a way that aligns with your financial goals. For example, you might decide to put a certain percentage of your income into savings, or allocate more money to paying off debt. Tips for budgeting. Here are a few tips to help you budget effectively. Track your spending. Keep track of where your money is going. Be realistic. When creating a budget, be realistic about how much you can afford to spend on different categories. Be flexible. Be prepared to make adjustments to your budget as your circumstances change. Conclusion. Personal finance and budgeting may seem intimidating, but by breaking it down and taking it step by step, it becomes manageable. By creating and sticking to a budget, you will be able to better control your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to keep in mind that budgeting is a fluid process, and that you should be prepared to adjust your budget as your circumstances change. Thank you for watching this video on Introduction to Personal Finance and Budgeting. In the next video, we will be discussing setting financial goals and prioritizing spending.